Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my Brewery Business Plan Template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to get ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll run through some of the updates I've made to my Brewery Business Plan Template. And then at the end of the day, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so let's go ahead and zip right through it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is my Brewery Business Plan Template, specifically the updates that I've made for 2023. So the first update that I made was for the brewery summary. In the summary, what I did is I used a little bit of AI magic and I updated and modified my brewery summary. And I added a little bit of flair to it. So usually I like to keep my business plan straight to the point, nice and neat, no flair to it, no flowery stuff. Just the meat and potatoes of what they need to know for the business, for them to make a decision. However, for this template, I decided I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of flavor to it, spice it up a little bit, and that's what I've done. Is I've used AI and I infused that into my business plan summary, just to give it a little bit more pep. The second change that I made is I updated the industry research. As we all know, if we're going to write a business plan for a brewery company, then by golly gee, we better have some updated information in regards to the industry. So what I did is I went to my subscription for IBIS World, and in my opinion, IBIS World, they are the industry leader in industry research. And so what I did is I obtained the report, summarized it, and put that information into my business plan template for the brewery. And so now we've got updated information for 2023. And the final change that I made is I made my financial model more customizable so you can better reflect your revenues for your brewery. So, and the way I did this is the financial model, you still have your 4 tabs, your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. However, on the profit and loss tab, I've made the sales growth. You can change the sales growth monthly now to better reflect how you anticipate your business is going to grow on a monthly basis for the first year. So now I've made the financial model more customizable. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.